First, introduced in 1980s is analog telecommunications. It is continued till we are founding the 2G digital telecommunications. So the main difference between that one first generation and second generation is only the radio signals used for analog in the first generations, but radio signals used in that so digital signals digitally used in the second generation. So it was launched by NTT in Japan 1979 and followed by Nordic Mobile Telephone System in Denmark and then Finland, Norway, Sweden in 1981. So its period is 1970 to 80s. It's only provides service voice alone. So analog technology used and speed is 1 kilobit per second to 2.4 kilobit per second and multiplexing technology frequency division multiplexers used and switching technique circuit switching techniques used and its frequency 800 to 900 megahertz and bandwidth is 30 kilohertz in second. It's launched 1991 in Finland by Radio Linja and it's provide the good um, sound and better security compared than first. Its period is 80 to 90. Digital technology use speed is 14 kilobit per second to 16.4 kilobit per second and frequency is 850 to 1900 megahertz in GSM. And if you are using CDMA technique, uh, its hertz is 825 to 849 megahertz and bandwidth 200 kilohertz into 25 kilohertz time slot and technology CDMA multiplexing switching circuit switching standard GSM IS 95 in CDMA and America there's Japanese JDSC used JDSC is a time based used in that time division multiplexes based used in Japan. This is next of second generations. It is come along with general packet radio service. Its transmission rate 144. Its period 2000 to 2003. So general packet radio service is a standard frequency 850 to 1900 megahertz and GPRS 150 and edge 384 kilobit per second. Switching is packet switching used for data transfer across the network. JMSK multiplexing use and services is to push the talk and send multimedia messages and all that games also used email access video conferences also done in the third generations next. It's transmitted 384 bit per. It's years 2000 speed 144 to 2 megabit per second frequency 8 to 2.5 gigahertz and it supports 3D gaming and it also support multimedia emails video conference and everything and this generations is very fast and easy transfer of audio video files also bandwidth 5 to 20 megahertz bandwidth and multiplexing technology used WCDMA technology and standard UMTS standard. So SCDMA interface was commercialized in 2009, so offered in China only. Since it's over 100 megabit per second, it is called as a magic in mobile network. Characteristics or standard is used long-term evaluation time that LTDE and division duplex that is TDD and the mobile WaveMax standard also used speed 100 megabits to 1 gigabit per second, and multiplexing technology, OFDM, MCDMA, and last AMA network LMDS used bandwidth 5 to 20 megahertz up to 40 megahertz also used optionally. Services, mobile access, and gaming, high definition mobile TV, video conferencing, 3D televisions, and digital video broadcasting are used presently. Fifth generations also. Its speed is up to 10 gigabit per second, and its bandwidth is 1000x is more than the frequency 3 to 300 gigahertz, and is used CDMA, PDMA technology, and standard is LAN WAN PAN used, and features is real-time performance, very fast response can get, and very high-speed broadband, high quality and good coverage.